Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So let's imagine you have an iPhone and your friend has an Android device, and your friend's Android device is connected to a Wi-Fi network, and now you're looking for a way to just get or share the Wi-Fi password from Android device to your iPhone. Well, this is pretty quick and easy, so let's get started. Well, now to do the process, the one things you have to turn on your iPhone is you want to open up your settings, scroll down here and simply choose your camera. Once you come over here, just go ahead and enable scan QR codes. After that, let's get out of here. And now on your Android device, all you want to do, you want to tap on your settings, then tap on your Wi-Fi here, and then you want to just tap on the Wi-Fi network that is connected. And right after that, it will give you a QR code scan. Now, if you want to copy the code, all you can do, you know, to grab your iPhone, is just go ahead and open up your camera, and then you have to scan it and then tap join. Once you tap on join here, then you'll be able to see your Wi-Fi will get connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your Android devices are currently connected. So this is really easy and simple, and this is how you can share your Wi-Fi password from your Android device to your iPhone. If you find this video useful, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.